well today we have two new products to show you guys. The first one is a very simple mod. It's going to be a rear strut brace. So this is 1.5 inch chromoly tube, TIG welded in-house, and then powder coated. This is great for any E82, E92. This is going to mount right to your struts in the rear. The only option on the market right now is to mount to like the stock seats, which is a weird location. It's pretty high and it definitely does not help with any body motion caused in the back by your rear struts. So this is going to tie directly to the struts and basically allow no motion in the rear. Any motion is bad motion, so we're going to try to negate that with this. This is a super easy install. You don't have to remove anything except for those little cups over your struts. So you literally just unscrew the two top bolts, screw this in, and then you're done. So let's start with this first, and then we will go over the new diffuser. Stop. All right, lots of tools for this job. You're gonna need whatever size the top of your strut is. Mine is a 19.
And that's not a Milwaukee, no free ads. It's just a red tool.
Big mods. And that comes out over this side. Big mods. Nut comes up.
Oh. Yeah, wowzers, nailed it.
This is why you, oh man. All right, they let me out of the blue tent. I passed concussion protocol. I basically told them I didn't have a concussion. They let me back in. All right, so, big mods, guys, big mods, yep. That's it, 100%.
Nice and clean looking, guys.
Yeah, and
nice
now
and
basically we just put the nuts back on, so. Big mods here, big mods. How's my butt look? All right, let's do it. All right, Kyle, get in there.
Try and get in there, nice like. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh, what happened?
Uh-oh.
What happened? We don't know what just happened.
Oh. There you go. Wow, you are at hard angle in this thing right now.
There we go.
There you go,
Okay.
killing it.
Yep.
Look at that big mod. Big mod. Clears the surge tank too. Bang. Holy cow.
Look at the clearance. Kind of.
Yeah, bingo. Nice camera work. Now let's see if you can get it pointed straight without it just like totally going crazy.
Yeah, dude, not that bad.
Not that bad?
Not that bad. Look how bright that light is, folks. Watch out. Don't
Too
look
bright.
straight into
Too
it.
bright. I like how your hands are turned to the side.
Well, we're working with it. Mike making deals.
Dude, look at this sick ass.
Well, we gotta talk about the diffuser anyhow.
Well, do we want to do the diffuser right
Hello.
in a second? Uh-oh, Kyle's joysticking it.
You can see a funny prop of my face. So I spun the wrong way, so.
All right, well, I'll put the lift up while we're doing that. And then we'll talk about the diffuser for a second. And then does Kyle get some B-roll?
Some B-hole. Ooh, baby.
I'm gonna back your car out to warm it up.
Then we're gonna take cold donuts.
Oh, I definitely was gonna let it warm up over you. Yeah, if you want to. Yeah.
Sure.
Can you get past the table?
Where's the key at?
We're in it.
Oh.
All right, go ahead.
Mike thinks the R888s are gonna work even in the parking lot, and I literally don't think that they're gonna move that.
A lot of wheel spin. Not bad.
Freaking blizzarding out.
Friggin' A,
God,
folks.
it's freaking terrible out. I don't know why we choose to live here. All right, diffuser time. Let's look at it. This thing's sweet. Are you still recording?
Yep.
Killing it. All right, so diffuser. Big diffuser, basically as wide as I could fit in my bumper without like actually modifying the bumper, just had to modify the like stock diffuser. Two closeouts on the side for behind the tire, and those will close out to the bumper. Oh, it's so cold outside. Pretty terrible.
Here comes Frosty the Snowman.
And then if you look on the side, there's big box sections, and this is to close out the tire wake. Yeah, it's got a nice curved profile based on some just basic CFD runs I can do in CAD. And then, yeah, riveted together, powder coated, sealed. So this is gonna be sweet. This is gonna be nice, and it's not gonna be like totally ignorant, but it should produce a boatload of downforce and be super sweet. So pretty easy mounting. I will jack up the car a little bit more and show you how I'm mounting it. 7%.
Cut it close. All right.
All right, so to mount this, basically what I've done is I just have 2 adjustable drops on the rear bumper. No modification there. You just literally screw it in from the side.
You say you have no modification?
This car is stock.
No mods at all.
Well, you don't need to do all of that. That's just like, that's just...
Look at this doo-doo.
It's stock.
Mike, just I know you want the urge. Just
like
grab
this is
right
still
hold of
like
that.
flex
Take
cord.
it easy. Take it easy.
Because, oh my god, dude, the door's about to come off the hinges. You hear that?
That's nice welding of me underneath the car with the bumper still on.
Sick.
With your eyes closed.
Should I just do it on this side, dude? Just
Just be even, just safe. I don't need that weight.
okay.
Okay, for the actual things though, these 2 drop downs, this is just an aluminum tube with a welded washer that mounts
that's
straight
actually nice.
to the stock subframe. And then it's just got a plate at the bottom for 2 holes. So, super easy. Kyle, your hands are getting real sideways
Dude,
on that
we're
thing.
good, dog. We're good.
They got 4-8.
Yeah, so it's just hard mounted with the 2 fronts, and then the rear are adjustable if you want to change your angle of attack and stuff. And yeah, other than that, it's pretty stock under here. Just that stock Ford 8.8. Nothing to see here. So, all right, let's throw it on. Actually,
No,
or do we want to go do donuts first for the F80 video?
we don't want to put that on at all right now.
Donuts will be sick.
All right, let's go do that.
Time to go not work. Here we go.
All right, so we got the diffuser on the car. It's low, it's sweet, gives me my 2 inches of rake front to rear. So I'm all good from an Aero perspective. It's mounted sweet. Now let's just go grab the bumper, throw the bumper on. I did take the car for a drive up and down the road, so it's a little dirty, but oh, and there's the wife. There's the wife.
He's in trouble.
Uh-oh. All right.
Let's this. This is first time, so let's hope it works. Alright guys, check this thing out. This is pretty gnarly, I'm not gonna lie. It is aggressive, but like, not out of this world aggressive. It fits so nice. It like doesn't take away from the 1M bumper look. You still get to keep the nice carbon part of that diffuser, which normally like that all just gets gutted on race cars. This is just wide open, you can see way in there, but I kind of like the look of the carbon insert and keeping that. That just turned out great. And then the strut bar is just, I mean, how easy is this to install? And it's actually functional. It looks great. Fits great. I mean, that's just awesome. Can't get any better than that. And I guess we'll give you a little sneak peek of the next Aero to come, but Yeah, we're making side skirts, baby. These are gonna be flat floors, kind of, but allowed in classes that don't allow flat floors because we're splitting it into two pieces to keep the exhaust routing. So those big cloth pieces that go underneath the car, basically this is perfectly the shape of those. And then it's just gonna stick out and be a side skirt as well. So, I mean, this is just, the spread toe carbon looks so great. This isn't done yet. I just figured I'd throw it on the car just to show you guys. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Big project, but looks absolutely amazing. And it's really just gonna tie in the diffuser, side skirts, and I guess, if you can deduct, we're working our way forward. Splitters are next. All right guys, thanks for tuning into the video. Again, strut bar, super easy mod that anyone can do, and it's gonna actually provide performance. The diffuser will be for sale, requires a little bit more hacking up of your car, but hey, that's race car life if you want the performance. And yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning into the video. Please like and subscribe. It's free for you, but it really does help us out. And until then, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.